Hello everyone, welcome to our channel Fun Learning Academy. Today we will be learning about the food we eat. I hope all of you have had your food and you're all feeling energetic and enthusiastic to learn something new today. So without any further ado, let's get started. Let me start off by asking a very simple question. Why do you think we need to eat food every day? What will happen if we don't eat food? Just like a mobile phone needs to be recharged, human body also needs to be recharged every day. We need to drink water and eat food in order to keep our body going. When we eat food, we get energy to perform various activities in our day-to-day life. It gives us energy to run, to play games, to study, and to work. Energy-giving foods are called as carbohydrates. What are they called as? They are called as carbohydrates. Foods high in carbohydrates are an important part of a healthy diet. But we must make sure that we eat only healthy sources of carbohydrates like rice, potato, and corn. Unhealthy sources of carbohydrates like pastries and soft drinks will make you obese. And we all know that obesity gives rise to diabetes and heart diseases. Have you ever wondered how do we grow taller year by year? Or why do our fingernails and hair grow back even after we cut them? The food that we eat is responsible for the growth and repair of our body. Such kind of foods are called as bodybuilding foods. What are they called as? They are called as bodybuilding foods. Bodybuilding foods are also called as proteins. Some of the examples are eggs, almonds, meat, and fish. The food that we eat protects us from various diseases. It helps our body to develop immunity and fight against the germs. So dear students, it is necessary for you to eat lots and lots of green leafy vegetables and fresh fruits. We have now understood the importance of eating healthy food, isn't it? But can you tell me, where does all the food come from? Plants and animals are the two main sources of food. From plants, we obtain fruits, vegetables, cereals, and pulses. Fruits include apples, bananas, oranges, and strawberries. Vegetables include potatoes, onions, carrots, and many more. Rice, wheat, dal, and corn are some of the examples of cereals and pulses. From animals, we obtain eggs, fish, meat, and milk. From milk, we obtain many other products like cheese, butter, and ghee. They are all called as milk products. I am sure all of you are feeling hungry by looking at so many food items, right? Now can you tell me some of your favorite food items that you have for breakfast? Let me tell you some of my favorite food items. I love chapati, bread and jam, eggs, milk, and pasta. Chapatis are made from wheat flour. Wheat is a cereal obtained from plants. bread is again made from wheat flour. So bread is also obtained from plants. And do you all know how jam is made? Jam is made by crushing the fruits. So jam is also obtained from plants. Pasta is made by using wheat flour. So pasta is also obtained from plants. Eggs, as we all know, are obtained from birds. There are a group of people who eat only plant-based food items. They are called as vegetarians. And there are a group of people who eat both plant-based and animal-based. They are called as non-vegetarians. However, even though milk is obtained from animals, milk is drank by both vegetarians and non-vegetarians. Now, there is a third group of people who do not consume anything obtained from animals, not even milk. So, how do they get their share of proteins? They drink milk obtained by crushing almonds or soybeans. And these group of people are called as vegans. Now we have all understood that food gives us energy, it helps us to become taller and stronger, and it also helps us to fight against the germs. But do you think we must eat only one type of food every day? No, absolutely not. We must include all the types of nutrients in our daily diet. We must eat proteins, carbohydrates, and lots of fruits and vegetables. Such a kind of food which includes all the types of nutrients is called as balanced diet. What is it called as? It is called as balanced diet. Now let us play a quick review game. Listen to the clues very carefully and identify which food item I am talking about. I am a vegetable which grows underground. Some say I look like a candle upside down. I am orange and crunchy and very munchy. I am square and brown or white. Full of energy, I give you might. Bought in loaves and eaten by the slice. Toasted or plain, I taste very nice. I hope all of you enjoyed this video. Kindly like, share and subscribe to our channel for more such content. Hit that bell icon to be notified whenever a new video is uploaded. Thank you.